Yes.
Yes? Yes.
I bring the ruckus on the jam when I slam on the beat. Suerte on high motifs, I go deep. Straight through the area, the land of the beast. Slash sharp with my tongue, you fall down underneath. Hold your breath, cause it's about to get heavy. Indonesia, gorillas, are you ready? Stones in the hands of those who harm us. Connect to the heads of those who starve us. Trying to hold us down, put a tax on us. Feeding off of the land till they lose focus. Jokers are running us down the hole. So gimme more of that flow, let me roll. Cruising the street, eating the food that's cheap. I don't mind paying more to the man who don't creep, who don't cheat on us, filling me up to the brim. Those who step on me, I got a fist for your chin. The city looks grim, flash floods come around. Every year when it rains, our water turns brown. Death on the corner of every border, a gang's that got an eye on your daughter, they wanna slaughter you. The struggle comes through at red light. Kids breaking off your mirrors, cheap thrills and delight. I think not, they just playing the same game, trying to get by, so they don't go insane. Yes, all we always say is yes. It's dark in the alley and I see two shapes. They coming for my money and I can't escape. It's on when it's on, so I take a deep breath. Squeeze my hands into fists and start into their necks. Lights all around flash into my memory. Pain in my head right now ain't shit to me. The city that loves and hates. If I die in the gutter, I'll wake at the gates with a smile on my face, cause I live a good life. Not scared of the gun, but holding a knife. If they wanna recheck, I'll check it right back. It's like that, or you're getting jacked. Running to the bus, I grab to get on. Pull myself through just before dawn. A song plays through the radio and I'm humming it home like yeah, oh. Yes, all we always say is yes. Ada bakso, tiap hari jam 4 I get fatso. Ku dapat tenaga to spit fire like an urban naga. Gedung ngelilingi diriku and it's draining my mind and physical. So I get a breath of fresh air, but a breath of